You don't need to trade every day to get paid. 5 trading days, 86% win rate, payout taken. I'm going to show you exactly what I did for those 5 trading days, how it went down, and how I took the payout. My name is Randy Baines, and I'm a day trader. I trade the ES futures markets. We trade live every single day on ASFX TV. The first month is completely free. Come check it out. The link is in the bio. So I took a payout on Tuesday from Top 1 Futures. I've had this account since the beginning of May and took the payout on the 19th of May. So basically 19 days I had this account. But the key to this is only 6 of those days I traded the account. I was away in Tampa for the boot camp. I took my family to Disney World, so I had some time off. But I think the key is that those 5 or 6 days that I traded, actually, I had an 86% win rate. I managed my risk well, was aggressive with taking profits, and got this account to a payout. I'm going to go and cover all this because it actually blows my mind when people say to you, you need to trade every day, all day. You need to be on the charts constantly to make money in this game. I think that is the wrong advice, and this is the reason I'm making this video, to show you my path to the payout, how I did it in basically 6 trading days, the VTC indicator, how I used it, the process in taking the payout, and also I want to cover prop firm match. If you are looking for an account to trade, whether it's a challenge account, straight to funded, whatever you're looking for, prop firm match is your place to go. So this is the account I took the payout on. And as you can see, I started trading the account on April 30th. As we get into it, you'll see I didn't take any trades till I think it was the 4th. I had an 86% win rate with an average win of $547. One thing I do try and do in these 50K instant funded accounts is try and go for max profit. On 10 micros, that's 12 points, $600. And the key to that for me is setting the daily profit limit in trade of $800 to $600, so it pulls me from the trade when we get close to that, and usually it pulls me underneath. I've had the odd time where I've got filled above, but at the end of the day, it keeps me pretty close within my consistency score, and I think I needed to make about $27 over the $3,000 on this account to take a payout. I wish I had made this video before I took the payout. These numbers would a little bit more clear, but the payout's been taken out of this account. And if you come down here and see, we were up at 53,065 before the payout was taken. I took the payout. I ended up having a loss in the account yesterday for the first time ever, but it is what it is. I took a payout on the account, so I really don't care. I had a little bit of drawdown left, so I tried an idea and it didn't work. I still have about $100 in the account. I'm going to really push myself to see if I can trade a micro and get this thing back to another payout. But I do have another Top 1 Futures 50K account that's about $2,000 in profit towards the $3,000 profit goal. So I'll be focusing on that in the meantime. And again, I think the key for me is just looking at how I traded this. And as you can see, I started it. I got the account on the 30th, no trades. First trade was on the 4th, max profit. Second day, the 5th, not like halfway to max profit. The 6th, close to max profit. And you can see the days I trade, I'm shooting for a good number. I'm shooting close to 600. But if I don't get it, I'm totally okay with it. Again, the 7th to the 13th, I was in Orlando with my family. We went to Disney World. And then 14th and 15th was a boot camp, but they were live trading sessions we did that day. I was live trading on Friday with the rest of the gang trading on Thursday. And both days we hit beautiful longs. So again, almost max profit, but quite not. But I really don't care, because at the end of the day, if I shoot for $400 to $500 a day, I know within 6 to 8 days I can get myself to the payout. But I just got to be selective in my trading. And look at even here, 3 trades, 1 trade, 1 trade, 1 trade, 1 trade, 1 trade. And this was on Monday. I got back on the 17th from Tampa, sorry. I said to myself, Monday morning, I'm close to a payout in that account. I'm probably not going to trade it. I'm just going to relax for a minute and kind of just get my bearings, you know, just in case I don't sleep well. It's a time zone change, 3 hours, jet lag, whatever it is. Come into this Monday morning, I take a trade in my other TOF account, manage to put profits in that. And then I take a trade in 2 evals, which are losers, 2 losing trades in a eval, or round of 5 evals, lucid evals. And I saw this 4th trade set up. It was a short. I was stuck on a long bias on those prior 2 losses, and I just let go, shook it off, saw the short present itself. It was an A+ setup. I said, you know what? If I'm not going to score if I don't take the shot. And I basically took the shot, caught it, hit the profit target, payout secured. I took the payout on the 19th. And then with that little bit of drawdown, I tried a little bit of a lower probability idea later in the day on this trade on the 20th. I took a loss in it. But again, I think the key is not trying to trade all these days, just looking for the A+ setups, trading the New York session, looking for the great trades and taking those, and then sizing appropriately and being aggressive with profit taking. I think that is the key. The next thing I want to highlight is payout speed. This is absolutely insane for me. So I'm a Canadian, and I find usually whether it's Top Step, Top One, Tradeify, the firms I've taken payouts with is anywhere from 24 to 48, sometimes 72 hours for me to get a payout. And I understand international transferring the money, the wire transfers, whatnot was like just yes. So I applied on Tuesday morning, took this payout 6:41 Pacific time. I took it out actually live on stream. And as you can see here from the emails that came in, one after another, after another, after another. And within 30 minutes, my Rise account had the money in it. 2250 was after the profit split. I was blown away by this. So basically 30 minutes from start to finish for approval on the payout. And the payout speed of Top One Futures right now is unbelievable. Just amazing for being an international trader. I know some of you in the US can get your payouts submitted and approved a lot faster, but being an international trader and having this was huge. So big W there for Top One Futures. So as you can see, May 19th, $2,250 payout from Top One Futures. That puts me at roughly just over 10 grand that I've gotten paid out with Top One Futures. If Top One Futures looks like it's something you want to trade, I recommend it. I trade it all the time. As you can see the payout speed, as you can see the process, everything is flawless. So check them out. Use the code TRB. Get the best discount on any of their accounts. Whatever the promotion is, it's going to be an extra 5% off with the code TRB. So definitely go check it out. So if you are looking for a prop firm and maybe Top One isn't a fit for you, you can check out Prop Firm Match. I wanted to just make a quick snippet of this and show you the abundance of stuff that's available on Prop Firm Match for you to look at and want to trade. You can compare firms side by side. You can compare the challenges. As you can see, here's Top One Futures, rated number 5 of their most popular. Lucid is another one that I love. Alpha Futures I haven't traded with yet. I'm going to have to try these guys one of these days. Tradeify, everybody knows Tradeify, my funded futures, and then here's Top One. Then you got Apex, Funded Futures Family, Top Step, and so on. But again, you can read the Trustpilot reviews. They have them all here in one area. You can go and compare challenges. You can see what their rules are in challenges and how to trade different ones and maybe what suits your trading style best. You can come under reviews again and look at the reviews, which is super cool. I really love this feature. You can really dive into the reviews, read what people are actually saying about the firms. And then again, offers. You come and look at the offers page. It's going to show you the current offer for all of the platforms. And as you can see, Top One Futures currently 60% off. Again, 5% more off if you use code TRB. If not, use the code MATCH. Use the code MATCH on Prop Firm Match off of any of these prop firms, and you're going to get whatever offer is showing at that time. So I think Prop Firm Match is another big W for the prop firm trading space and the prop firm traders like you and I. So out of those 6 trading days, I picked a couple of trades that I wanted to just go over and break down. I want to show you how I use the VTC indicator to trade them, what I was looking at. And I think especially as we get back to all-time highs, I have a trade, which is one of my favorite longs, where everybody was trying to short the market at all-time highs, and I took a long. We'll get into that one last. But as you can see here, clearly we have the open. We have the opening range set. We wait the first 15 minutes. This is a 5-minute chart, so the first 3 candles. And as you can see, we hold this New York VWAP. We get the first break of the opening range. We come back down. We break and retest. This is another trade we talk about all the time. This is not the double break. This is the other side, the break and retest. Break of the opening range high. We come back in, retest it, and we break back out. I enter on this candle here, and as we push higher, I missed this turn to take profit. It's all good. It happens. I didn't have a TP in place. We pull back, but hold this New York VWAP beautifully. And again, I just sit in the trade. I'm away from the desk. I missed this move again. Still being greedy and having a TP set up here. I think I had my TP at 72.90. There was orders there. And I come back to the desk and I see I missed this move again. And you know what? This time I set a TP here. I'm not getting play around anymore. And like I said in my notes, NQ pushed for a new high day, and the longer ES sits here, not making a new high day tells me to be content with the win. Because at any time, with NQ now pushing for new high days, I could expect a deeper pullback. And if ES wants to follow suit, this could bring me back below my entry. Take the New York VWAP. We could find support down here, but I don't need to be in any bit of drawdown. I just wanted my nut. I had 1 chance, 2 chance. I make sure if I'm getting a 3rd chance, I take it. I took it. And again, just look at the indicator down here. Everything's green. Everything's bullish. We're trading above the New York VWAP, above the overnight VWAP, above previous day's New York VWAP. 3 key VWAPs for me, and again, above the range value area high. This all prints with the indicator. We're in price discovery. I like the longs up here. Going over this last trade, which is buying it at all-time highs. We're pushing all-time highs up here. And as you can see, I have a handoff VWAP on this New York VWAP, and that is the last touch of the New York VWAP. We break the opening range high. We push straight up. This is into the open. Long off the bounce of the handoff VWAP, had some volatility come in and price bounced off it. So as you can see right here, this candle prints, this candle bounces. I like this, a hold of the handoff VWAP, I take it. But I gotta remember the weight is on the New York VWAP, so my stop has to be below there. Even though I'm buying it off the handoff, I need to be critical of this New York VWAP. What happens? Lo and behold. Instead of me choking this out, we come back, we test the New York VWAP, which is a high probability. If we didn't get the clean bounce and go higher from here, what is the next place of support? Is going to be this New York VWAP. Come down, we bounce, test it, boom, we push higher. Straight up to structure where I had my TP set this time. I'm trading at all-time highs. I'm not looking for this move. I'm looking just to capture my net again. And now if you look down here on the indicator, you'll see we're trading above all of our VWAPs. We're above the volume profile. We're outside of all the opening ranges, and we have strong uptrend in all three of the indices. This is full alignment across the indices. And when we get full alignment, there's really not a whole lot that's going to stop the market. And if we do, it's all going to tip over at the same time. It's just everything is working in unison. There's no divergence. And that's what I love when you have clean market and no divergence. And I just took my nut, and that was the trade. And it was just beautiful. TP hit, max profit, TOF, 50K instant funded account. Loved it. Just a beautiful trade. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this one. You know what I'm going to say? We stream every day live. If you want to see us trade like this, you come check us out. It is a blast. Link is in the bio. First month is completely free. You want to check out the indicator. It's a paid indicator. It's $100 a month, but for the first month, I would just pay that $100 and try it. You probably spend more on lunch with your friends. You'll know within the first 30 days. So those two things right there, I think, are key. Top One Futures, you want to trade with them, use the code TRB. You're going to get the best discount possible. And then if Top One Futures is not something you're looking at, check out Prop Firm Match. Again, the resources there are amazing. You're going to see what offers are live for all the prop firms, and you're going to get that deal if you use code MATCH. So click, subscribe, like, you know the whole routine. I'm grateful for you guys being here. Enjoy your day.